Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Vision. If you have ever thought, how does YouTube work? How does Instagram work? How does Amazon show products? How are websites created? Then, this course is for you. In this complete HTML series, I am going to teach you HTML from absolute beginner level. You don't need coding experience, computer science degree, programming knowledge. Even if you have never written a single line of code in your life, you can still learn HTML. By the end of the series, you will be able to create personal websites, login pages, registration forms, portfolio websites, basic website layouts. Today's class is very important because we are going to understand the foundation. In this video, we will learn 1. What is a website? 2. How websites work? 3. What is HTML? 4. Why HTML is important? 5. Real-life examples of HTML. So let's begin. Section 2. How does a website work? Now let's understand something interesting. When you open YouTube, what happens behind the scenes? Suppose you type youtube.com and press enter. Your browser sends a request. The server receives the request. The server sends website files. Your browser reads those files. Finally, the website appears. Now the question is, what files does the server send? The server sends HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript files. HTML gives structure, CSS gives design, JavaScript gives functionality. Think about ordering food online. You place an order. The restaurant receives it. The chef prepares food. Delivery brings it. Similarly, browser equals customer, server equals restaurant, website files equals food. Without the food, nothing reaches the customer. Without HTML, nothing reaches the browser. Section 3. What is HTML? Now let's talk about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Don't get scared by the name. Let's understand each word. Hypertext means links. Suppose you click a YouTube video. It takes you to another page. That connection is called hypertext. Now, markup. Markup means tags. Tags tell the browser what to display. For example, heading, paragraph, image, button, video. All these are created using tags. Finally, language. HTML follows rules. If we follow the rules, the browser understands our code. That is why it is called Hypertext Markup Language. Section 4. Is HTML a programming language? Many beginners ask, is HTML a programming language? The answer is no. HTML is not a programming language because HTML cannot perform calculations, make decisions, create logic, run loops. HTML only creates structure. For example, a chair has structure, a building has structure, a website also needs structure. HTML provides that structure. Section 5. Real-life example. Imagine building a house. The walls, the doors, the windows, the rooms. These things create the structure. This structure is HTML. Now, paint the house, add colors, add decoration. This is CSS. Now add electricity, fans, lights, television. This is JavaScript. Without walls, the house cannot exist. Without HTML, websites cannot exist. Another example. Think about the human body. Skeleton equals HTML, skin equals CSS, brain equals JavaScript. The skeleton gives shape. HTML gives shape to a website. Section 6. Where is HTML used? HTML is used everywhere. YouTube uses HTML. Instagram uses HTML. Google uses HTML. Facebook uses HTML. Amazon uses HTML. Netflix uses HTML. Whenever you see text, images, buttons, videos, forms, HTML is working behind the scenes. For example, YouTube video title, HTML, Amazon product image, Instagram profile, login page. Everything starts with HTML. Section 7. Why should you learn HTML? If you want to become front-end developer, web designer, full stack developer, UI developer. Then HTML is your first step. Without HTML, CSS becomes difficult, JavaScript becomes difficult, React becomes difficult. HTML is like learning alphabets before writing sentences. You cannot write English without ABC. Similarly, you cannot learn web development without HTML. Congratulations, you completed your first HTML class. Today we learned what is a website, how websites work, what is HTML, why HTML is important. Real life examples. In the next video, we are going to write our first HTML code. We will learn HTML document structure, doc type, HTML tag, head tag, body tag, title tag. See you in the next class. Bye guys.